Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your PayPal account, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To recover your PayPal account, start by visiting the PayPal website. Click on the login button in the top right corner of the page. On the login screen, locate and click on the Having Trouble Logging In link. You will be redirected to a new page with account recovery options. Enter the email address associated with your PayPal account in the provided field. Click the Next button to proceed. PayPal will present you with options for verification. Choose your preferred method, such as receiving a code via email or SMS. Follow the prompts to receive the verification code. Check your email or SMS for the code. Once you receive the code, enter it into the verification field on the website. Click the Submit button to continue. If the code is correct, you will be taken to a page to reset your password. Enter a new, strong password that meets PayPal's security requirements. Confirm your new password by entering it again in the designated field. Click on the Change Password button. Once your password is updated, you will be able to log in to your PayPal account. If you continue to experience issues, consider contacting PayPal customer service for further. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.